Dreo Humidifier, the regular one, the analog, 4-liter review. Been using it about 5-6 weeks. It's a workhorse, obviously top fill. The thing I absolutely love is everything comes out so you can clean it all the way down to this bottom piece here. You can go all the way down in there and clean to your heart's content and get rid of whatever stuff accumulates in there. Another really important thing is when you clean it, take this all out, clean it all up, make sure that goes all the way down. You're going to have 4 liters of water on the floor. It's nice that you can put your thumb over this, spray it, clean it, whatever. Rinse it out. Don't get anything down there. So you put it back together. And then you have this diffuser that goes on top. And this also comes all apart, so you can clean down in there with a little brush. You can move it like straight up or a little bit. So when you fill it up, I just grab it with 2 fingers and take it to the sink, put it in the sink, and fill it up. I try to keep it around 40 to 50% humidity, and I have a 1-bedroom apartment, and I have 2 of these units. One's a digital. I'll do a review on that separately. Oddly, the analog one puts out more moisture. It's very strange. So it appears to be exactly the same unit, which is bizarre, but they are workhorses. I love them. I will fill both of them. In the wintertime, it's going to be probably almost twice a day you're going to fill these. But the really, really nice thing is you can grab it with 2 thumbs and carry it to the plate, to where the humidifier is located, or you can just fill it, with a pitcher, whatever floats your boat. Just be super, 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 super careful when you clean it that everything is back together the way it was, and you make sure it's seated really nice, or you're going to have a big puddle all over your whatevers. Learned that the hard way.
Okay, so let's go ahead and build the Dreo humidifier. This specific Dreo is the HM311. So I also got, this is optional, you do not have to get the cartridge. This just prevents heart water and white dust. My kids do suffer from asthma and dry air, so I just thought maybe this would be helpful. So you're gonna go ahead and remove this little white thing right here. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it. That's it. You can save this part if you want. And then go ahead and put it right in there. Twist it a little bit. Make sure it's in there. Looks good. And we're gonna go ahead and place it on. And I bought distilled water. It looks me a little bit, just a little tiny bit, and this is a 1 gallon. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Plug it in. As you see, turns. And it's already throwing out smoke. I don't know if you can see it up here. The lines. Very beautiful, and it comes with cleaning supplies. So, yeah, we're gonna go try it out and see.
This is a review of the Dreo Humidifier. This is our favorite humidifier. Number one, it's so easy to clean. Every piece comes out. So for the video today, I'll just show you how it goes together. We've used this for 2 winters now, and very little buildup. We have hard water, so it builds up fast. Even though I filter the water, we still get residue. This is after 2 winters though, and it's still going strong. Just a little calcium, and other humidifiers would barely last a winter, so highly recommend. Again, it's super easy to put together as well. So starting from the bottom, there's just a few pieces that you need to install. So this pops in the bottom here. Pop it in, make sure the word is up. And there's a plunger here. Also comes out, just easier for the sake of the video to have it installed. And then we have this bottom piece here, clips in. So there's your bottom portion. Flip it over, line it up on the base. Let's see, this goes right down on top of this plunger here. Again, pop it into place. This goes right on top. Here's your lid. Again, no buildup, which has been wonderful. Then you have your little bar on top. Pop it all into place. And then this one you can even angle the direction that you want it to come out. There's a nightlight feature as well, which helps with the room and being able to see with young children. Also, another favorite feature that we just recently started using was this little tray back here for vapor. Get it out. Right there, has a little sponge that you just put your drops on. We used eucalyptus and it worked beautifully. Just pop it back into place. Again, this is the Dreo Humidifier, game changer.
So already opening the box, you can already see it's pretty biodegradable. You open it up and it's ready to break down immediately, which is nice. Here's the cleaning guide. And we've got instructions, our filter here. Taking it out of the box. And here it is, the Dreo. I ordered color blue just because that would be here the fastest. I would have preferred the white with the blue ambiance, but this is still very nice. So, please excuse my dirty carpet. That's my front door, and I still gotta get that vacuumed off. It's snowing here. So, there's that. Nice, shiny, new. Here's the, what was described in the description as the mist adjuster, top fill, so far as described.
Well, this is the first of this type of Dreo. The other two didn't have very good luck. So far, this one's doing pretty good. It's got the little night light. Turn it on the low, on off. And this right here is the low. And that's the medium. and that is high. So, super excited about this one. Seems like it's doing pretty good. If something changes between now and say a week, I will flip an update. Other than that, cool beans.
So I just ordered this humidifier off of Amazon. It has 3 different settings. Super quiet. I like it because you can adjust for your mist where you want it pointed. Has a little nightlight feature, which is kind of cool. And it's pretty thin and holds a lot of water. Anyway, if you're looking for a really good humidifier, I suggest you go get it. Not super expensive, doesn't break the bank, and I like it. I'd buy it again. Probably gonna buy it for my other rooms.
own your tattoo designs, or does the person with the tattoo own it?
I own. I have the exclusive copyright on a lot of flesh in this town.
You could design an adult coloring book.
What do you mean? I could draw a bunch of naked people doing stuff?
This ain't working, just wait. Alright, lift it up off. Just this part. Okay.
This very horrific dreamscape.
Does this make you cry?
Hey.